Dive to landing spot. Where is this landing spot?
When you do skydiving, you don't really have much of a choice. Whoa! Damn! How are you going?
I am diving towards our goal first. I will be first.
Oh, shit!
Oh no! Why? Oh no! You gotta come to me, Amber. I can't go back up there.
I'm dying!
Nothing.
Come on, dive! Dive! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Come on, dive faster! Dive faster! You're not diving! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die!
Okay. We're gonna switch applications right here on my phone. Okay. We're gonna switch applications right here on my phone. Hold on. Well, today we're gonna go do some XD roar. Well, today we're gonna go do some XD roar. We're gonna be reviewing various gats. And I want you...
Dive to landing spot. Where is this landing spot?
When you do skydiving, you don't really have much of a choice. Whoa! Damn! How are you going?
I am diving towards our goal first. I will be first.
Oh, shit!
Oh no! Why? Oh no! You gotta come to me, Amber. I can't go back up there.
I'm dying!
Nothing.
Come on, dive! Dive! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Come on, dive faster! Dive faster! You're not diving!
I'm waiting. Oh wait.
No!
Wait. Oh.
Dive!
Oh, I thought I was above you. Okay, wait.
You're just chilling there in the air. You're not even diving. You're like, oh, Kronii, yeah.
Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop. It's called Not Just Ice, haha, yeah!